Welcome to Learning English with Leanne. Help with writing. This video will help you use moreover, furthermore, and in addition to write a paragraph. Here we have a paragraph that's been written for us, and you can see in bold and also. We're going to look at how we write a good paragraph, so paragraph structure. And also how we can change these also and ands for a higher level, more formal words like furthermore, in addition, additionally, moreover. If you are doing an IELTS or TOEFL exam, these are really important to use in your writing. So firstly, let's look at our topic sentence. So you can see our topic sentence, we need a subject and a controlling idea. So our subject of this one here we have is make a schedule for our studies. This is the subject. This is a really big subject. We could talk about lots of things about making a schedule. So then we need the controlling idea. This helps focus our paragraph. We have a controlling idea with our subject. So you can see here the controlling idea. What about the schedule? How it will help you manage. Our controlling idea. So that means this sets up our paragraph nicely. All of the information in this paragraph is going to show you how a schedule is going to help you manage and why it is important. Okay, so then we start with our supporting statements. So what's my first idea? Why a schedule is needed. So you can see I've written a sentence here about how all the tasks are due and using your time better. Then we're going to add more. Now this is where we use these and also. But we're using a higher level word, remember? So we're going to take and away and we're going to be using in addition. Then our next statement, why. It will help you complete all the tasks and not forget something. Important, you can see that when we're using these to start our sentence, we have a comma following the word. Okay, and then we need another supporting statement. Our example used also, so we're going to change this and use a higher level word. We say furthermore, we're adding more information, furthermore, and again you can see it has a comma to follow. So then our next supporting statement, why is the schedule important? How will it help you? Then we add some more here. So you change the schedule as you complete things or get new activities. And I'm adding here, but we're going to change and for moreover. Again, more formal style, but notice with moreover, you have a comma at the end of the sentence you're adding it to. And then after moreover, you have another comma. And then you add the second part to the sentence, or our second clause here. Some advice about making a good schedule. So we're building a really nice paragraph here, but it just needs to be finished now. So it's our concluding sentence or statement. So this is where we restate those ideas from our topic sentence and give some of our main points. So a little bit informal to start our sentence. We can start it, but we want higher level, remember? So we're going to use therefore. And make yourself a schedule. There's my coming back to my topic sentence and some of my main supporting statements. Better use your time, complete all your tasks, edit and improve your work. So this finishes off our paragraph nicely. Thanks for watching. Please like, share with your friends and subscribe. To subscribe, press the button in the corner. Thank you.